I'll show you how to get the best old-fashioned of your life. Let's dive into this classic cocktail. The old-fashioned cocktail is a timeless marvel. According to cocktail historian David Wondrich, the old-fashioned is a direct descendant of the earliest known cocktail. Back in 1806, it was just some water, sugar, liquor, and bitters. Sounds simple, right? First, grab a sturdy glass, no fancy stuff needed. Add 1 sugar cube or half a teaspoon of sugar. Now a few dashes of Angostura bitters. Go ahead, don't be shy. Next, a splash of water, just enough to help dissolve the sugar. Muddle it all together until you've got a sweet bitters mix. Time for the star of the show, whiskey. Pour in 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon or rye. Stir gently. We're not trying to start a whirlpool here. Now drop in a big old ice cube, or a few smaller ones if that's what you've got. Give it another gentle stir. For the finishing touch, garnish with an orange twist. If you want to add a cherry, go for it. Purists might scoff, but hey, if it brings you joy, who cares? And there you have it, folks, the perfect old-fashioned, just like they made it back in the day. Cheers to history and to you, too.